So today I'm going to be decorating this, and I'm going to do it with UV resin. The top's quite clear, so it should work. I just don't know. Oh, there's something on the floor. I just don't know. Like, I was thinking the pearls, and I just want to go like around the edge. There's these that are kind of interesting. These are all leftovers from rhinestone paintings that I have done. Oh, that's the miscellaneous bag. When I have a miscellaneous bag, it means that pieces that got away from me go in there. So loose pieces I just put in the miscellaneous bags because I don't know where they came from. I do have a ruddy nose today, I said. I was thinking maybe something like this, and then maybe, or something like this, and then go around it with this, like as petals, and then maybe go around the edge with these. But let's see how it works. So what I'm going to do is, my plan is this. I'm going to put some UV resin around, but I'm not going to cure it. Oh, there's another one. You can go into my miscellaneous bag. I had, for every project I've done, I have a miscellaneous bag, so I have a whole lot of these rhinestones that have no home at all. So there's also like other colors, but, and then there's shapes like stars. There's some really pretty things here, and this is from one diamond painting. I don't remember which. I usually write which diamond painting they're from, but I guess I didn't in this case. Oh, those are nice, but I don't know about on the blue. So I think what I'll do is go with the original plan, and that's to put one of these. You're going to have to forgive my snifflies because I don't know why, but it seems that sometimes in the mornings I get the sniffles. So how would that look? Yeah, let me get these out of here. Oh, those are pretty too, but they don't think they have a round one. I could do this and these, but I think I'll just stick with the simple plan that I was going to do. I'll just put these ones in here. Come on out, everybody out. I don't want anybody staying behind. I hope you guys have had a great week so far. So I've only made one of these, so I haven't tried it. And I've got my thingy out here. So let's, oh sorry, didn't mean to do that. Back off, back off. Okay, so what do I need? I should use gloves because I should use a mask too, but I'm not going to because it's UV resin. And with my nose all stuffed up, I don't think I'm going to be breathing too much in. I'm barely breathing now. Okay, so let's get this stuff all out of the way. Alrighty. looks. I am so sorry. I think I'm probably going to end up doing a voiceover because this is inexcusable. Now, let's just get on with it. Okay. I'm going to put you in there for now. And I'm going to hope this is the center. Okay. I had a pen somewhere. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but oh, where did it go? Where did it go? Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. Okay. I was going to say, oh, there it is. It keeps hiding from me. Okay, we'll put that right in the center. And I am going to flood it afterwards. I think that looks about center. So, oh, you know what? This thing will not work unless I plug it in. So I always have the plug here, but I always put the thing away when I'm not using it. Because I'm, oh, come on. This is the toughest plug. Okay, so we'll go for 30 seconds, I think. Excuse me, I am going to blow my nose. It seems every morning I have this sneezing fit. Okay, so that's done. And now I'm going to think it's not centered, but I don't care. Okay, and then we're going to just put a little bit around here. It doesn't matter, I just need something to hold these. So I want it to look like a flower. Yeah, so just go everywhere. Yeah. I'll try to do it symmetrical. So I'm going to do corners and then I'll do fill-in. Looks like I'm going to get 2 between each one of these. So hopefully I will have enough. Come on, get off of there. Now I can't put it in the thingy, the curing thing. Right, oh, maybe not. Okay, I'll use my tweezers on you and you. Okay, there. I'll just get them down and then I will use it. I'll fix them. But you get the idea of what I'm trying to do here, right? I hope. Okay. There's my tweezers. Tweezers. Okay. There. I should have used maybe some kind of a thick glue to do this. Oh gosh, I am the most incapable person, I swear. If I can get them near, maybe I'll just give it a 10-second blast and see if I can finesse them around. This does not look good. You are in the wrong space. You're just totally out there. I'm trying not to get my tweezers wet, but you know what? The tweezers are going to get wet. You are terrible. Okay. I hope you guys are doing much better than I am with your day. Okay. I want you closer. Why can't you just go closer? I want you to be, I'm just going to try everything, I guess. Come on. Yeah, I think I'll give it 10 seconds and maybe it'll be easier to move. Okay. So I don't want to have to take it all apart again. Oh yes, that's much better. I can move them a little bit, not much, but a bit. But you know what, it's supposed to be handmade. So I'm going to cure that up. I'll give it 30 seconds because the 10 seconds almost cured it completely. Look at that. Now what bag did they come out of? This one. Okay, then we have to think of, and when I say we, I mean me, of course, have to think of something, because that's not a very good decoration. I mean, it's good decoration, it's just sort of sparse. So, and this is going to be a gift. So I wonder if I should do, what are you? You're a little pearl. You would probably look very nice, but so I only have these that are, and this, that are that color, so I can't use those anymore. I could use these, which are silvery. I can't use dark blues. You know what? Oh, that was pretty, but there's not enough of them. That would have looked absolutely gorgeous. Okay. The red, I don't think so. Where were those other black ones? Maybe they were too black, though. I was going to actually use one of these, but I thought, nope, it just stands up too tall, so I didn't want to do that. Now there's these that are kind of nice, but they're very, well, the backs of them, this metallic thing is the front of them. So I think they would look very nice. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And I'm looking around, oh, I was looking around for my pen. It's right there. My goodness. Okay, get in there. I'm not going to need this many, but you can see the metallic, the black spots are the bottoms. Oh, there. That might be very nice. I need some wax. There it is. Okay. And I'm going to do this around the edge, so I should have, like, it's not going to be all contorted like that is. Okay. And I can't put it in for 10 seconds, but the sun is shining, so we're just going to see if this is going to work. I mean, that's an awful lot of UV resin. Oh my God. I don't know if you could see it, but I poured a lot on there. So now, and it's not going to, oh, maybe it will work. I hope so. I really hope so. These are my two things that I really love to do, and one is resining. I guess that's the word, because there has to be a word for it. And the other is diamond painting and rhinestone painting. So, yeah. I'm going to have to do something to stop them from flipping around, but can deal with that later. And like I said, I hope you guys have had a great week. I've been doing things I don't like to do, but it's got to be done, right? If you're alive, you've got housework to do, you have housekeeping to do. I hired a really expensive guy to mow my lawn, but I needed it because I can't do it this year because of the heart condition. So, you know, yeah, we'll get through. Sometimes, come on, there must be some glue there for you. Yes. This is not going the way I had hoped, but okay. So, it would have been smart if I would have done this while I was making it, but this is not working. Not working at all. I'll keep trying. I'll just keep doing it until it's all filled in, and then I'll organize them, or you know what I mean. I'll get them all properly lined up, and it's kind of nice that ridges there. I can kind of butt them against it. Don't go too far away, because I need to put others in there. Yeah, the minute I say something, it just all goes wrong, but we'll fix it. And you know, this is good experience for me, because it's teaching me things, and I hope you guys can learn from my mistakes. Because if you can't learn from my mistakes, there's not too many people online that make as many mistakes as I do. At least not that I've seen. And I watch an awful lot of videos. Oh, get down, get down, get down. Okay. Alrighty. Don't do that. Well, I think I'm like halfway. Not quite, but I don't want to set this at all until it's perfectly symmetrical. It's nice when you pick up two, but it's nice when they cooperate as well. So are you guys working on diamond paintings? Are you doing resin? Are you just plain painting, sculpting? What are you guys doing in your spare time? I'd really actually like to know. Okay. I should have done that. I couldn't do it dry because I need these things to stick to something, unfortunately. Okay, let's turn it a bit. It is the most unruly thing. Oh dear. Give this guy some room. Okay, there we go. Ooh, what happened here? I seem to be missing a whole bunch. I'm sure this is absolutely boring for you. Oh dear. Come on, get up there. I ordered some things from Wish because they had a mold that I wanted, and the mold that I wanted is the one that's going to be, it's going to be delivered separately according to their thing, and it's going to be delivered last. So isn't that the way it goes with the things that you want? These guys are going over the edge, and I don't know why. These don't go over the edge. And there's one. It's very difficult to see the back side of these. Come on, get out if you can't go in properly. Oh, I've got resin all over my little pan now, so it's picking up everything, and I don't want that. There, I'm sorry for being quiet. I'm trying to concentrate. I'm actually thinking, what a silly thing to do. Like, of all the things to do, I could have, you know, used those great big leaves, or I could have used a picture or a sticker, but no, let's make it difficult. And this is not looking right to me. Oh no, I didn't mean to hit it so hard, but I did. Okay, I'm just, I don't know. I just don't know. This one is very black. This one is, you guys are too close to the edge. And I think there's some wax there. I'll put you there. Oh, and look at this. Sounds like there's somebody coming up my stairs and knocking on my door. Hang on a minute. That was exciting. That was the guy I hired to do the lawn. He's just going to look at my backyard again, which I guess means that there'll be added costs. So I don't know. I always think like that. Always the worst case scenario for me. But I ran down the stairs, I ran up the stairs. I don't know, it's not perfect, but it's certainly handmade, that's for sure. There is one there, even though it looks very dark. Okay. What do you guys think? I think, oh, I touched all that. See, as you're moving them around, the circle gets bigger and smaller, and then it pushes some of them. That's it. I'm going to give it 30 seconds, and then I'll do, look at all these ones that weren't organized. And I'm usually very careful about that. But like I said, I do have a, what is it called, a miscellaneous bag that I put things into. I was going to go all around the edge of this too with something. I'm not going to do that now. Nope, nope, another 30 while I'm talking, I guess. So, yeah. So this was interesting. I think these are probably all coated in UV resin, but if I ever try to use them again, I'll find out. Oh, come on, get out of here. Don't stick. Don't do it, please. Don't do it. Okay, let me... I usually have a funnel that I can use. Yeah, that one is stuck, maybe, but I don't know why. Okay. Is that one of those? And then, oh my gosh, I am terrible. I'm so sorry. So it's time to take it out of the little resin thing. So let's have a look at it. Let's have a poke at it too. So what do you guys think? Do you think I made an absolute mess of it? I think what I'll do is I'll mold another one. I'll do the bottom. This thing is heavy, by the way. I'll do the bottom, and then I'll figure out the embeds before I put it on. But anyway, I still have to flood this. Not that that'll make it look any better, but okay, at least it will all be protected, because you don't want somebody to, what are you doing now? It's a very sensitive machine, and it comes on whether I touch a button or not, and I need my coffee. I'm so sorry. I don't know if I'm going to speed this up or if I'm just going to cut out the part that has me sneezing and nose running all over it. But yeah, I think that's probably been in there for long enough. But let's see what this machine wants to do. It's at 45 seconds right now. And I had a bag for this stuff. Yes, I do. I always, like, for each diamond painting, I try to keep them all together because the colors are somewhat coordinated. But I wish I had one of those things that everybody else has, like a Cricut machine, so you can make really beautiful stuff to put on your resins. But I will probably never have a Cricut machine. I really can't spend money that I don't have on things I can probably do without. But yeah, but it would be nice. And who knows, maybe someday I'll see one on Marketplace or somewhere like that, and that would be just awesome. Oh, it's at 115 seconds. 120, it should stop. Ah, there we go. Okay. I'm just going to give it a tap. I don't think it looks any better, but it feels more solid. So that is that, and that's all the decorating I think I'm going to do today, because wow, that was something else. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate you. Down in the corner here, not on TVs it seems, but down in the corner here, there is a subscribe button. If you hit it, It'll cause a beautiful explosion, and it's free. It's always free. Of course, I don't have memberships or anything like that. Anyway, thank you for being here, whether you subscribe or not. I am so grateful for your time. Thank you. Bye-bye.